Welcome back. Imagine if your Windows 11 was working perfectly fine and you have tried to install the updates from Microsoft, or you have installed the service pack, or if you have connected some devices like network interface card or sound adapter and try to install the drivers for that device, or even if you have installed some applications like Microsoft Office applications or any other applications, even for that matter antivirus application, which basically causes some issues when you try to install, or if you have downloaded some applications from the internet and try to install. After doing any one of this, and if you feel like the Windows 11 which was working perfectly fine, now it is behaving erratically, in that particular case there is an option from Microsoft which gives you to restore to a certain point in time. So when you configure system restore, there is a snapshot or there is a point in time information which is taken as a backup and kept. If you install any one of these, any applications or drivers or any updates, and if your operating system behaves funny or erratic, then you can go back to the previous state and restore to a certain point in time, so that the Windows 11 which was working fine at that particular time before installing the applications or drivers, it will go back to that time and it will run perfectly fine. So we will see how to configure the system restore point in Windows 11. To configure the system restore point, you have to click on Start, System, Restore. Search for System Restore, click on Recovery, and you will see this dialog box from Recovery. Click on Open a System Restore. If there is a system restore point which is already created or configured, this dialog box will not give you any error. This basically says that you need to configure the system restore before you can view the system restore points, or you can use this dialog box to recover the system state to the working state. Let me click on Cancel. Now I need to configure the system restore here. So configure the system restore, click on System Restore. You will see that in System Protection, you will see the drives which are available in Windows 11, and if you notice, there is no system protection which is enabled for any one of the drive. To configure the system restore, you need to enable the system restore for C drive. Since this is a system drive, I have to configure system restore point for C drive. Let us click on Configure, and you will be able to see it is disabled. Click on Turn on System Protection. Here in this slider, you can choose the size of the disk which can be used by the system restore point. By using the size, you are ensuring that there will be multiple restore points which will be created by Windows. If the disk space is less, then the system restore point will not be able to create multiple restore points. Basically, whenever there is an applications or there is any drivers or any software updates are installed, a restore point will be created. To create a restore point by Windows 11, it needs some space reserved. If there is no space, then it will not be able to create the restore point. So I will keep 5% for the system restore point. Then I will click on Apply. click OK. Before clicking OK, you will see that the system restore point, it is already on here. I'll click on OK. Now click OK here. After creating a system restore, if you still see a error message here, then go back to the system protection. You will be able to see that system restore point has been configured and it is on, but there is no system restore point which has been created. Click on create to create a restore point. I will create a restore point here. So basically it is taking the snapshot of the computer and you will see that system restore point has been created. Click on OK. Once you have created the restore point, you will come back to the same option here and click open system restore. Now you will be able to see with no error. Then click on next. You will be able to see there is a restore point which is created and the type is manual because we have created the restore point manually, hence it says we have created it manually. By default, Windows will automatically take a restore point every day, and the size of the disk what we have set is 5%. So we have allocated size of the disk of C drive from 60 GB. It will take 5% for system restore point and it will use exclusively for restore points for every day. Once there is no space for the next restore point, it will delete the old restore point and it will create the new restore point for the next day or next cycle. So I will install an application like this is just for demo. I am installing VLC application. If you have tried to install any antivirus and if you feel like Windows 11 is not working fine, because most of the times the antivirus software when you install it will create problem. If you feel like after installing any application and your Windows 11 is not working as expected, you can always go back to the system restore point and go back to the previous state. I will click on finish. Now VLC has been installed. After installing the VLC application, if I feel like the Windows 11 which was working perfectly fine before, after installing the VLC application, it is behaving erratically or it is not behaving properly, then I can go back to the previous state of the operating system, click on the restore point to which you wanted to go back and click. There is also an option to scan for affected programs. You can select it will scan for affected programs. So whichever programs will be affected after restoring to the certain point, it will list all the applications here. Now because we have installed the VLC application after the restore point, this application will be affected. So once you restore, this application will not be available. I will click on next. I will click finish. Yes. So now it is restoring to the previous state. It will take some time. It is going to take some time to restore to the previous state. Let me come back after the restore is successful. Okay, it has restored, and yeah, this is going to take some time. So I'll come back after it reaches 100%. You will see this message after some time. Let me come back once it has completely restored. This is taking some time. It has almost taken 15 minutes to complete this, and there was also a reboot which has happened. Now this is the second stage what you are seeing for the system restore. Let me pause and come back once it completes. It has rebooted. This is the second reboot which has happened, and still it is finalizing the system restore, and seems like it is almost complete. So for every restore point which you have taken, and if you wanted to go back to the previous restore point, you can actually scan and see what are the applications which will be affected. Now the login process. Now I will log in. Let me see if the application which I have installed, the VLC application, still exists or not. I will go to the control panel and see. You can see there is a dialog box which says system restore point completed successfully, or system restore has completed successfully, and click on close. I'll go to the applications. I'll go to the settings and select the applications. I don't see the application. I don't see this VLC application which was installed earlier. After the system restore, the VLC application is not there. So the system restore has completed successfully, and we are able to use the Windows 11 without any issues. So this is how you can go back to the previous state when the Windows 11 operating system was working fine, before installing any kind of applications or drivers or updates. You can try this option and go back to the previous state and make your Windows operating system work fine. Thank you for watching the video. If you like, please share and subscribe. Thank you. Take care.